Hi. In this series of posts, I'm going to share with you practical tips for losing weight. My name is Cohen, MD. I'm a family physician focused on helping people lose weight without dieting. One of the most common reasons why people fail to stick to their diet is because of hunger. To lose weight, you need to eat less calories, and it's hard to stick to a diet that makes you feel hungry all the time. So how can you eat less calories but still feel full? The answer is by eating foods with a low calorie density. It turns out that calories are not the only way to feel full. The volume of your food is another way to feel full. You don't need a lot of calories when you have a lot of volume. Foods with large volume and few calories can stretch our stomach and trigger a feeling of fullness. The least calorie dense food on the planet are vegetables. They have lots of volume for very few calories. You can see in the diagram how much more volume we consume with 500 calories of fruits and vegetables compared to 500 calories from other foods. But what's the evidence that vegetables help with weight loss? In a large study that followed people for 20 years, on average, people gained 20 pounds, about a pound a year. Those who increased their intake of vegetables, however, were actually found to lose weight, about 4 pounds of weight loss in that 20-year follow-up period, where most people gained 20 pounds just from eating vegetables. How much vegetables do you need to eat? I recommend a total of 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. That's the amount shown to reduce risk of premature death from all causes, including cancer and heart disease and diabetes. Of those 5 servings, I recommend one of them be fruit and the other 4 be vegetables. The reason is that fruits do contain sugar, and while they contain a lot of antioxidants, I recommend not going too heavy on the sugar. So limit your fruit to 1 serving a day and make up the other 4 servings with vegetables. What is a serving of a vegetable? If we're talking about salads or leafy greens, 3 cups is a serving. It's 3 ounces or 85 grams. If we're talking about chopped solid vegetables like broccoli, 1 cup of chopped vegetables is a serving. We're still talking about 85 grams or 3 ounces, but when it's a solid vegetable, it takes up less space. It's only 1 cup. When we're talking about vegetables for this recommendations, potatoes do not count as a vegetable. They have not been shown to have the same health benefits as other vegetables. How do you make eating 4 servings of vegetables a consistent habit? Well, for the fruit, I recommend that be with your breakfast. For the other 4 servings of vegetables, try 2 servings of vegetables for lunch and 2 servings of vegetables for dinner. For example, you could have a large salad at lunch. That salad could have 1 serving of leafy greens, 3 cups, and another serving of vegetables in the form of chopped tomatoes or avocado or carrots or cucumbers or bell pepper. For dinner, have a plate of air-fried vegetables. You can use an air fryer to cook any kind of vegetable. Make 2 servings of chopped vegetables. That's 2 cups. I'm going to share with you a recipe I use every night to cook vegetables. This recipe has a section where you choose your seasoning and a section where you choose the main vegetable you're going to be preparing. So you can make any kind of vegetable with a variety of different seasonings. It never gets boring. Having a go-to pattern of eating, salad at lunch, air-fried vegetables at dinner, and having a easy, quick, and delicious recipe for air frying, for example, for dinner, makes this habit fit into the busiest of work lives. Another great recommendation is to buy all your vegetables for the week. You want to have vegetables on hand so you're not out grocery shopping every night when it's time to have dinner. You also want to buy all those vegetables in advance. I'm talking about all 7 servings of fruit and all 28 servings of vegetables for the week. They're going to be sitting in your fridge. You can eat them or not, but if you don't eat them, they're going to go bad and you're going to have to throw them out. This is a powerful motivator to eat your vegetables. I call it vegetable guilt. You will find that when you eat 4 servings of vegetables, 2 servings with lunch, 2 servings with dinner, you will really feel full on significantly fewer calories than you would have consumed if you had a sandwich, for example, or a hamburger for dinner. Now it's time to take action. Please come up with a plan to eat 4 servings of salad and vegetables each day. What will you buy? When in the week will you buy it? What time each day will you consume your vegetables? And please share your plan in the comments below. When we share our intentions with someone else, we are more likely to follow through. Stay tuned. Next week, I'll share with you more tips for losing weight without dieting. To get an easy, actionable weight loss tip of the week delivered to your inbox, click on the link below. And that way, you'll receive one tip that you can take action on every single week that will help you lose weight in a sustainable and even enjoyable fashion. I'll see you next week. Thanks.